Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, not looking good. Both triple Q and SPY gapping down. We are on a downtrend. Going into market open, I'm bearish, but I'll wait until market open to see how SPY and triple Q reacts and then define my trades based on that. We do have around 8 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching SPY. Triple Q is selling, SPY holding strong. To the call side, 383.20 would be a key level. No setups for me yet. SPY is red on the day, so I'm not confident to the call side. Today probably would be a waiting game. Market staying strong. Made a new high, but did not retain that level. That's a good candle to the put side. Not in a hurry here. Could be a retest of this level. You see why I didn't take that level? That was the first test. Now if it wants to come down again, I may look to get in. Watching carefully. I'm going to get in. I'm in 590. One at 620. I'm just holding one contract. I may look to add 570. I'm in. Selling one at 620. Out. $216. I'll take it. Staying strong. Almost 50% retraced. Not a bearish setup now. Getting in. $570. Getting out of one at 590. So I did not like how it just tried to reclaim. It's looking for an immediate flush. That is awful. What just happened? Totally unexpected. Flipping to call side. Getting in around 7. Close. What just happened? I'm not sure. The reason why I took it was like a pullback setup. And as you saw, it did not retain those levels. So I had to cut it. That volume came out from nowhere. I was expecting a breakdown and it just took off. Now it's back to $7. I'll be looking to trade the pullback setup. But not liking it now. Double top. Upper wicks. I'm getting in. Stop would be below this line, 383. Anticipating a breakout. Getting in again, adding. Not liking it. Faked out again. Getting it at 6. Breakout. Yep, that's the breakout I was looking for. But didn't give it immediately. Took it off. Too risky of a trade now. And I'm already down around $700. So I think I should stay away. Not a great day of trading. Losing around $670 after being green over $200. Not a great feeling. So that would be it from me for today. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching.